Hey guys, welcome back. And today's video is about how to put any text on a running video. So we will be using OpenShot for this, and trust me, it will be very fast and it will be very easy for you guys. I'll tell you what are the difficulties you will be facing. So how the first approach will be that if you already have a particular video which has a code. So I am using this. So if you see there's a meme which is going on currently, and we already have a particular audio, codes in this. I'll show you. Let me just copy this particular video and paste it somewhere here. Okay, and I'll play it for you. See, this is the video, original video, where you have a client, business analyst, developer, and code. This is a meme which is going on. So you can do this. Okay, you can put this particular text formatting also in a video very easily. And what for that you can use footer or header. You can go to this title, and here you can have this particular sections to be used. This is header or this title. Okay, and also this title, footers, anything you can use. So if I'll show you, I have used something like this. I have used this title file name too, where I will be having this particular uh, this one encrypt to my particular video, right? So, and because it was already in a video, so I didn't put anything else. I have just put a background into it, a background image, and then I have put my footer. So how to do it actually? Tell you how to do it. It's very easy. You like if you want to do it via the title format, you can do this. And then there is a different thing which I don't have in my system. There will be another tool which is always open. Use this advanced editor. It will be having a ink space, and you can do some more editing on it. So for that, I have shown you this particular text, and rest I'll be using a image. This all image I had, and I'll be using the simple image. See, I have put images, and I have did some like I can say duration in between. Why? Because there is a moving piece of code in the video, moving piece of text in the video. Like after some point, this thing moves, right? If you see now, I'll move from this to this, and this thing moves. So for that particular thing, I have use this splitter. So I will position all those texts in that alignment. So do that to do that actually you do need to just play with scale X and Y. This will push this particular object to anywhere in the, like I will just show you here. I mean in the new channel. Okay, not new channel actually. I think what I did, Control C, Control V, and I put it here. Okay, here let us just come here, and see this one you are seeing. This is your boss favorite get. So I will just try to change it now 0.5. Okay, this will scale Y will change the text like length. Okay, and if I do this 0.5, it will be okay. So now suppose scale is good, we want to move this one to here, business analyst. We will be doing placing with the location, playing with the location. You can see this is a y-axis, x-axis, right? You want to move it here, so the x will be negative because you are moving it this side, left side. So we will just put 0.4 for our precision. No, it's going because we are not putting negative. We put negative here, it went here because this whole is the platform we have to think about. So we will just put minus. Okay, so we will just put around like point 0, like minus 0.01, and it moved something like this, right? Again we will put here point, sorry, minus 0.03, and it goes like this. So it will move like this. Then here we will be putting as 0.5. It goes directly inside. We will be putting as zero point 0.3. It moves up. We'll put zero point 0.1. It moves further up. Then I think we have to put minus 1. It moves a little bit up. Then we have to go more than below that. That means we'll put minus 0.3. So you understood, right? You have to play with this and you will be able to get your particular area. And then if you want to play like this, so suppose it's less, right? So you can crop or you can increase or decrease, all those things you can do. So I'll be deleting this now, and sometimes what you will feel, right? You will be having a, like suppose I did this, okay, and now in this one only I am putting a new thing here as 0.3. What is this? Okay. Oh, I think my shortcuts are aligning with the, so I have put this 0.3. Okay, it moved that side. So if you see, let me just play it now. See what's happening here. You have made this video to be this particular text to be inside this particular block, right? But it's not moving. So see, it will slowly moving. That means your texture is not correct because you have a keyframe there, right? So it will move till that point. That's a problem of keyframe. Nothing to do, worry about. Right click on this location X, remove that keyframe, and that's done. Similarly, if you see the last point, I think here, yeah, let's see. This is correctly inclined, but this is not correctly inclined. See, it's coming slowly, right? So I'll show you why. If I just maximize it and I'll go down to last one here. Here we might see that there is a slight keyframe. If you see this green, I'll just more see this particular point. See here, it's a green one, and here you are showing that there is some keyframes involved. So I'll just do this, and then it's done. So that is what how we can do it, and I hope you like the video. It's very simple. You just need to play with scale and location, and you can crop also with the help of crop, and it will be very easy for you. So I hope you like the video, and thumbs up if you liked it. And I know it's a meme out of meme, but yeah, that's okay, I guess. You understood what I'm trying to do here, right? You can play with location XY for locations, scale for your doing like small and large. Location means shifting it right, left, up, down, and cropping is inside doing this crop. You can able to get it. And if there is a normal video, you can just use the texture, and I just because I already had a text inside it, I need to replace it, so I use the image. And that's it from my side. I hope you like the video, and thank you very much. Be back for more videos. Thank you.